Toys R Us, Dubai, United Arab Emirates.
Awashi. Ayan, 115 dirhams. شو يعني؟ Come هذا. Come. Astaghfirullah. Si Madam. لا, not that. She want the small one. هيني أواش فيه. أواش تعالي. Not same? No, it's not. تعالي هيني أويش. What's the name? في بعد هنا. wait, اصبري 99 dirham. This, it's small, صح? Maybe that's the last piece. لا, that's not the one. When? This is the one.
How many I buy?
كم هذا? You said with the book. كم هذا يعني? 35 dirham. Same color, ما في. Check another color fee. هذا حلو.
No, that's one.
No, هوش حرام.
وايد.
So much.
How many?
Only 3 colors. في purple ما تبين.
How many?
Why the same?
This is
What's the purple?
35.
I bought purple. Yeah, this one.
هوش 3 months. بعدين
Why didn't I
يكون
pick up?
Yeah, buy one thing.
Hey, why did you buy toys before? Colors is good.
Buy one thing.
8.
Yeah.
Yalla, you go pay now.
No, she said no.
بعد. Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Expensive this one. Mahal, walang sale. Awash, good evening. Which one you buy before Awash?
I don't understand.
Like fish sticker, this
Yeah,
one.
and then?
Like she remove it.
And then where she cut this?
Ah,
Only like that?
yeah. Show yan.
Like you put this on.
What you should do, yani, this, don't forget it.
Stop it.
Show yan.